Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today is Thursday the 15th, I guess, and this will be a really quick charm chatter. I don't remember the number. I don't remember, but mostly, so it's Thursday, so it's Luck of the Draw day, but it is, the Luck of the Draw number was just put up about, I don't know, 45 minutes ago. It's early, it's morning, and I'm getting ready for work. This is my color. That's all I can show you. I'm not telling you the number because you have to go watch the video. And I will have it linked in the description box below. But this is the color that I got. I wanted number 4. I'm going to tell you, this is not number 4. So I'm a little mad at Trish. So Luck of the Draw, not really. Not really mad, but I want number 4. So Luck of the Draw is the brainchild of Nan from Nan's Next Knots. And this is Luck of the Draw number 6. Nan has become ill and she can't do the excuse me, the videoing. So Trisha Mama Swift has stepped in to draw the numbers. The first Luck of the Draw that I did, I wanted number 4 for like ever. Number 4 was my inspiration color. I was doing a Ruana, and I had this variegated yarn, and it happened to be my number 4, and all the colors that were in my Ruana were in the variegated yarn. I had all these solid colors and one variegated. Nan refused to pick that number. It was picked one time out of 20 weeks, and it was like in week number 19 or something crazy. And she just refused. And I think Trish is standing her ground and saying, no, I'm not picking number 4 because this is week number 7. This is a duplicate number. This is the second duplicate number, and there's 3 numbers she has not picked. So Trish, number 4, please. I'm being nice, but that's going to change. Not really. Number 4 happens to be my purple color. We all know purple's my favorite color. So it's in there. You got to pick it. Maybe it's not in there. See, Nan took it out for a long time. She did not have number 4 in there. She was just teasing me and saying she put it in. So I think Trisha's up to some shenanigans with the number 4. So stop the shenanigans, Trish, and pick 4. Because I need it a couple of times in my blanket. Just saying. Okay, so enough of that. If you guys have not participated, we're only on week 7 out of 20. It doesn't have to be a huge project. Mine is just a wrap. It's not very, it's only, wrap width this wide. And I'm doing my rows this way, so they're really short. I'm getting it done in less than an hour. Easy pattern, easy breezy, ends woven, everything probably in less than an hour. And I really love it. It's fun to do. And there's a chat, and there's a Facebook group page, and it's such fun. So let's join in. And I'm going to segue that into, if you want to catch up and join in and make an Afghan that is in the measurements of about 35 to 40 wide and about 40 to 50 long, you can donate it. I know it won't be done in time, but they'll still take the donation. If you're like, oh gosh, I don't need another Afghan. Well, first of all, for Luck of the Draw, it doesn't have to be an Afghan. But Nancy, She's Got Yarn too, her mom is involved in some women's organization, charity, fundraising kind of thing, or something. And anyway, they have adopted this year a place called Boggey Creek, which is a camp for sick children. And I know if you are familiar with Nancy, and She's Got Yarn too, I'll link her in the description box below as well, and Billy, the Crafty Floridian. They're both in Florida. I'm not in Florida. Damn it. I'd like to be in Florida. Anyway, Nancy said, yeah, my mom has, her ladies group is, they've asked me to crochet Afghans for Boggey Creek. And I'm like, well, what's Boggey Creek? And so she says that it is a, it's a camp, a physical, like in the trees, in the woods, go swimming in the lake camp. And it's for these terminally, or I don't know if they're terminal, but they're ill children. They have leukemia, they have blood diseases, cancer, heart problems. And every week they change the group of kids that are there. It's all 100% free for the families. And I think at the end they do family weekend where the parents get to go also. I don't know any of the details of that, but I have seen a video, which hopefully I will have linked in the description box below. And I'm going to tell you what, you guys, I watched this video and I just cried my eyes out. The things that this camp is doing are amazing. Just thinking about it gets me all worked up. So, we're going to go live tonight, and we're going to impress upon you how we would like you to make an Afghan to send to these kids, because they get to take home an Afghan, a hand-crocheted or knitted Afghan. And those are the measurements that I gave you. That's the size it has to be. We're going to collect them until the middle of November, I think. Sometime before, like, you would get going on Christmas shopping, you know, like the big shopping Christmas stuff starts. But I know for crocheting, you're already crocheting Christmas stuff. So squeezing in an Afghan might be a little tight. But I'm going to make one or two, as many as I can. And put aside some of my other crochet things that are not Christmas, just to make some Afghans for these kids. We're going to send them to Nancy, and she's going to take them there. So in a nutshell, that's what's going to be happening. But we're going to really discuss it tonight. But I wanted to put this in this video right now because I'm hoping to get that link in there. If not, I will at least have the web address in the description box for their website. But this video link, you talk to the kids, or the kids talk to you, I should say, and tell you what a great place and how much fun. And I think before we go live tonight, which I hope that all of my subscribers, all of Nancy's subscribers, and all of Billy's subscribers are there, because we've been kind of promoting it. And y'all know I don't go live, so this is like a real nail biter for me. But I would encourage you to watch the link before the video, before the live tonight. And then it is tonight at 9:30 on Billy's channel. Her channel will also be linked in the description box below. So get your knitting needles and your crochet hooks out. I don't care if it's a scrap blanket. It doesn't matter. The kids won't care. Just something from your heart, something that, excuse me, that you're willing to create for them and send in. And then Nancy's going to drive it there, I think. So that'll be really cool to see. She says she's going to film it. She said in a video this morning. So anyway, get your crochet hooks out. Get hooking. I want to see you tonight at 9:30 on Billy's channel. Pray that the internet gods get us all working together. We're going to do Billy's because she's done StreamYard before. Nancy and I generally don't do live, so we're like really not wanting to be the hosts of that whole situation. So Billy's going to be in charge of that, and she'll do well. We'll fumble through. So we'd like to see you there. Thanks for watching. Thanks. I'm going to thank you in advance for creating, because I know you guys can do it. You know, I have 3,500 subscribers. Nancy has 2,000. Billy has 5,000. God, we could overwhelm them with blankies. Just saying. I'll see you guys tonight. See you tonight. This very night on the 15th of September. Okay, see ya. Bye.